Hello everyone, welcome to my today's video and to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to draw heads from different angles. So just grab your pencil, your rubber and your sketchbook, and let's get started together. So if you are interested to do fashion drawing, the most important thing that you need to learn is how to draw head correctly. So let's get started together today. So what we need to make it more simple for ourselves and break it to steps to make it easy and possible to draw. Head has a few tips, and it's about how to draw a circle easily. Just try to not be very firm with your hand, and just draw a few times on the air, and then draw a circle in your paper. So that will help you to draw it easier and better actually. So head has a few simple shapes and lines. If you learn this, then you can draw any kind of head easily. And the other thing you need to add is chin. You can firstly just try to draw a triangle, and then just try to give it some shape and make it a proper chin. To show ears, there is two circles in each side, and because now we are seeing them from the front, we can only see a part of it. Okay, and also there is this line is where eye is gonna be later, and of course a center line is going to be helpful as well. And also there is another two line which is not really essential, but you can have them or you cannot, and this is where lips and nose will be replacing later. So this one is really basic head from the front, and now we are going to draw it from different angles. We will draw heads looking down, up, and to each side. So let's draw the second one. Circle, doesn't matter if it's not very perfect, as long as it's showing a circle, it's good enough. So this time the head is looking to this side, let's say. So circle is always there. We always start with the circle, and so if it's looking to this side, it means this would be the center line. And when it's looking up, so this line is not straight anymore and it's gonna be a bit curved. And now here is gonna be the side of the head and where the ears are. And now of course we need to draw the chin. So because it's looking up, I need to draw it more to upside. Okay, and here would be the line for lips on nose, and also we can see the neck and a little bit of under the chin. So here is the first one. The second one I'm imagining is looking up. So let's draw a circle again, looking this side. Okay, so now we will see the part of the circles which is representing ears. Okay, so this time this line would be curved to up, and also the other line which is for nose, or let's say lips. And now we will have, oh actually I forgot to draw this line here. Okay, and also this center line, and then the chin itself, because we can see under the chin as well. So this is what we can see, and of course the neck. We don't actually need this line anymore. Okay, so the next one is looking to this side. So we need to draw this circle again. Right? And then this time it's kind of looking up and side. So here is where the ear is going to be. So because we are looking at it from the side, I make this one a proper circle as well, because we can see kind of whole side of it. Again, nose, this is the center line. Correct, and we can see the neck as well. That's it. So next time, imagine it's looking to right, just straight right. So again, I want you to tell me what I need to draw first. Just repeat by yourself. It's always circle firstly, and then because it's looking on this side, this center line is going to be to this side as well, and because it's not bended to up or down, then this eye line would be straight. And also here I meant to draw this circle first, I mean before this lines as well, but never mind, we are getting there, so we know what we're doing. So this distance is going to be same distance as this one. I mean, if this is 1 centimeter and this one's 1 centimeter, from here to there is going to be 1 centimeter as well. So this distance is half of this one. No, half of this, I mean half of the whole thing. So just bear in mind, so that is very important to know, and it's very helpful. So you see these lines are straight because it's not bended, it's just looking straight to left. And now let's draw one from, okay, let's imagine one is looking to right this time, or maybe right down. Circle first, okay, and then another circle for ears. If you need to make it better later, you can, but first you don't need to put pressure on your hands. Perfect. So what is the angle is down. Then we have to draw eye line to a little bit bended, not straight like that one. And even this center line is going to be bended as well, and here to that is same as here. Here you kind of need to draw a triangle and then try to make it more like chin and make it better. And now we need to draw the neck. Okay, so far so good. And then next time this time I'm going to draw this one, which is looking opposite to this side. So first the big circle or the main one, and then a small one, right? And then which way is it looking? To side down, center of this circle and center of this one, and also this is the angle of his looking or her looking. Perfect. And that is the neck as well. So just practicing a few times helps you a lot, and just playing with shapes and make it even more simple for yourself is going to be very easy after drawing each of this a few times. So for the last one, I'm going to try to draw it from the front again. I mean the first one, but this time we know what exactly we are going to do. So there is a big circle, there are two ears on the side, but we can see them as oval now because we can't see the full ears. And okay, and then there is a cross in the middle, and as we said before, we can even draw a triangle here and then try to make it better and shape it like a proper chin, just like that. Perfect. And this one's looking forward, maybe it's looking at you, you never know. All right, and then the neck. So I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestion for next videos, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.